Kim from the Cracked Egg with an update about the Allegheny County Health Department predators. We got their discovery request answers. So let me know when you're on and I'll get started. Let's see if Facebook gives anyone some notifications. So we'll just wait a few minutes. Hello, Matt. You can come in. So, it's Cody. Matthew is watching. Say hello. I'm just giving the update. Hello, Vicky. Update on the health department. So we got a few people on. So share this and also share the message that we are being terrorized by government agencies. All right, let's turn on Tom Petty, shall we? All right, so I received this. All right, so it's the appellee's response to the appellant's discovery requests. Number 1, please identify all individuals who participated in the decision to pursue civil penalty number 161 against the Cracked Egg. Answer: Amanda Mader, Food Safety Program Manager. Otis Pitts, Deputy Director of Food, Housing, and Policy. Now that's a new name for me. He was not at our evidentiary trial in January of 2021. Number 2, was the ACHD's legal department involved in the decision? If so, please identify all individuals from the legal department who participated in the decision. Their answer: no. Solicitors do not make decisions to pursue civil penalties by way of enforcement orders, but rather defend department's actions after they have been initiated by staff members, namely inspectors, administrators, and program managers. Number 3, when was the decision to pursue civil penalty number 161 made? Answer: the individuals identified in ACHD's answer to discovery request 1 made the decision to pursue civil penalties against appellant in early winter 2021. Why did the ACHD wait until March 30th, 2022 to impose civil penalty number 161? Answer: ACHD initiated this case as an injunctive action to enforce the ACHD closure order on September 16th, 2020. Appellant subsequently filed for bankruptcy. The bankruptcy court remanded the matter to the Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County to hear the merits of the injunctive relief. The Court of Common Pleas granted the injunction. Cracked Egg, in turn, appealed to the Commonwealth Court, which upheld the injunction on July 23rd, 2021. Cracked Egg filed an application for re-argument, which was denied by the Commonwealth Court on September 9th, 2021. The department then waited to see if appellant would file a petition for allowance of appeal to the PA Supreme Court. At this point, there were 3 facilities, including appellant, that were known to have operated in violation of Article 3 during the COVID-19 order. Careful deliberation was required so as to ensure the penalties were fairly and judiciously calculated across all businesses. Wasn't that nice? They're being fair. Number 5, has the ACHD sought civil penalties based upon COVID-19 violations from any other restaurants since July 1st, 2021? If so, please identify all such restaurants. Yes. Since July 1st, 2021, ACHD has sought penalties against blank blank. They're saying 2, okay? But let's just go back to Barbara Bogan in December 30th. She named other restaurants not to go eat at in her news conference, and these 2 that are noted here are not on her news conference list. Number 6, please identify how the penalty of $13,200 was calculated. Answer. Department utilized the civil penalty case summary and calculation form assessment matrix that is standard for all food safety enforcement actions that may require monetary penalty. Number 7, please identify all individuals who performed the calculation referenced in number 6. Answer. Amanda Mater and Costas Angel. Now, I've never met Costas before until he was outside taking pictures of our restaurant, and then he was a witness at our evidentiary trial. So on April 1st, when Costas came, because he's a supervisor, came to the restaurant, and he wanted to, with the inspector, to do our yearly inspection, Ricky asked him to wait for me because he was a witness at our trial. And I don't trust them because the last time they were here 3 hours at a time. So anyhow, Costas did come back on April 22nd with the inspector. And do you know what Costas told me? We're here to help you. The past is the past. We're only moving forward now, Kim. And then at the end of the inspection, he said to me, Kim, you know, you can't ignore that letter. You have to do something about it. Now, this is April 22nd. I didn't get no letter. It was a penalty letter. There was a fine. Did they mail it certified? No. He only told me about it on April 22nd, and then they emailed it to me. So then basically, we only had 8 days, not 30 days, to respond to that. So anyhow, that's about Costas. Now let's do number 8. Please produce all documents that are related to your answers to interrogatories 1 through 7. And then they attached a zip file, and I have those. And then they are to produce all the inspection reports and blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now number 10, please produce all documents which the ACHD intends to offer into evidence at the hearing for the within appeal. Answer. The department objects to the request to the extent that it will not be able to identify or determine any evidence until the close of discovery. However, the department would be amenable to exchanging witness and exhibit lists at a time agreed to both parties. Respectfully submitted by Brendan Turley, Esquire. I wonder what happened to Patel. Seems that she's not working here. Oh well. Well, you know, we are coming up on our 2-year anniversary of our first closure order. We got some great specials. Check our Facebook page. Just want to, I should read you folks some of our great specials that are coming. Seems like I'm gonna have to come up with something for Mr. Otis Pitts and Costas Angel. He deserves a special too, don't you think? Maybe you can give me some ideas. But check on that. And also, here's Amanda Mater Hater chips. They're so delicious. We sprinkle them with freedom, and then we serve them. They're fresh, homemade. You'll love them. All right, so here's their assessment, how they, the penalty assessment case summary sheet in calculation form. Recommended maximum penalty, $13,200. Oh, you know what else is good? The Luann Brinks stinks. That is going to be delicious. She was the Allegheny County epidemiologist. Now we're going to start all these specials on August 11th. That's Thursday next week. And we're going to have them until Sunday, or until we sell out, because hopefully we sell out, because I know you true patriots are going to come in and support us at the Cracked Egg, right? So what else? Thank you, David. Good luck. He says, I left Allegheny County last year and will never regret it. I know. I love you too, Terry. You think about leaving, but for me, well, first of all, can we even afford to go anywhere nowadays the way things are? And two, you can't fight back. They do not realize how much that we at the Cracked Egg enjoy fighting back evil. They just don't know. It's like in my blood. God made me this way, and thank God he did, right? Thank you, though. All right. So let me get the other special so I can tell you. Hold on. Here we go. We got the Gestapo. Now, that is in celebration of the 3 health inspectors that came in August. It's a donut kebab, and it comes with crispy PA Amish bacon. And we're going to weave that in between the donuts, and then we're going to drizzle it with our sweet maple syrup. Amanda made her hater chips. Told you already about that. And how about the Rich Fitzgerald fascist pork belly wrap? Now that's going to be stuffed with our spicy sweet pork belly, some scrambled eggs, some potato pancakes to add a crunch, and peppers, onions, and cheddar cheese. And we're going to serve that with some tarny tots. And then we got the Pettifogger Battelle pancakes. Now, I had to look up the definition of pettifogger because I wasn't quite sure what it was. But let me tell you, so Battelle, she was Allegheny County's attorney during our trial. And it's a noun, and it is a disputant who quibbles and someone who raises annoying, petty objections. And that just fits her perfectly. So come in, try that. I'll tell you what's in that. It's great. It is pineapple pancakes, like upside pineapple pancakes. And we're going to serve that with our PA Amish thick cut bacon. And then we got the Big Brother Bogan bologna sandwich. And if you don't know, Deborah Bogan is Allegheny County Health Department's health secretary. And that's going to be a 1/4 pound of center cut bologna fried to perfection, then slapped between 2 fresh slices of Saloni's Italian bread with melted, nothing better than American cheese, and a fried egg, plenty of yolk. And we're going to serve that with some Mater Hater chips. And then the Dr. Luann Brink Stinks burrito. You can't go wrong with this one. It's going to have black beans in it, avocado, cooked with onions and peppers, garlic, and seasonings, and it's going to be filled with salsa, and it's going to be served with sour cream. So anyhow, come get those specials, and I may add 2 more. What does Matt says? And any of the namesakes come in charge, though. Oh, yeah, maybe they will come and get one of their namesake specials. It'll be a great day. So anyhow, that's what I wanted to get you peeps caught up on. And we're never going to stop fighting for our God-given freedoms. And there are also some things I wanted to tell you too about imminent hazard. I know we've talked about imminent danger, but they've also said that we are an imminent hazard, and that means the existence of a condition that presents a substantial likelihood that death, serious illness, severe personal injury, or a substantial endangerment to the health, property, or in the environment may occur before a notice of investigation, proceeding, or other administrative hearing. So we defied their orders for how long? Say August 2020 until what? June 28th, 2021. No COVID cases, no deaths. Link back to the Cracked Egg. So they are full of baloney. So make sure you come in and get your Big Brother Bogan fried bologna sandwich. That's a mouthful. So anyhow, God bless. Share our message and talk to you peeps soon again. Bye.